Introduction to Bank API Integration.
Ever wondered how your favorite financial apps connect securely to your bank? The answer lies in Standardized Application Programming Interfaces, or APIs. These APIs act as digital bridges, allowing third-party apps to access your account information with your consent in a safe and structured way. Let's explore the step-by-step process that makes this seamless connection possible.
User permission and authentication.
The process always begins with your approval. When you connect a third-party app to your bank, you're first asked to give permission. The app redirects you to your bank's secure login page where you enter your credentials. This step uses strong authentication methods to ensure only you can grant access to your financial data.
Secure token exchange.
After you log in and consent, the bank generates a secure token, a unique digital key. Instead of sharing your username or password, the third-party app receives this token. The token allows the app to access specific parts of your account, like transaction history or balances, based on the permissions you've granted.
Data retrieval via standard APIs.
With the token, the third-party app can now send requests to your bank's API for only the allowed data. The API acts as a set of rules and formats for how data is shared. This ensures information like balances, transactions, or account details is transferred securely and consistently between the bank and the app.
Ongoing access and user control.
You're always in control. The third-party app can typically refresh data using the token, but only within the limits you set. If you ever want to stop sharing info, you can revoke access through your bank or the app at any time. This transparency allows you to safely enjoy new financial tools while protecting your privacy.